Let me introduce you our 4-head woodblock extruder machine. Please follow us to witness. As you can see, this is the mold of the machine, and the size can be customized according to your requirements. And in the molds, we have heating plates to heat the raw material and press them into wood blocks. Here is the silo, where the wood sawdust, wood shavings will be mixed and pressed through this silo. And this part is the oil cylinder. It will press the mixed sawdust and make them into long wood cubes. And this is the electric cabinet. You can see the electric cabinet inside. And on this side, the mold sizes can be different from that part. And you can see the inside structure. That's all for the woodblock extruder machine. Thank you. ZZCHRYSO focuses on the research and development, design and sales of woodworking machine. Since foundation, our products have served more than 80 countries. Excellent product quality and professional after-sales service have won us widespread praise from customers. Integrity management. Quality first is our consistent principle. A great experience of work in woodworking machine allows us to offer the optimal solutions for your business projects. We pay attention to all aspects: equipment reliability, capacity, and a reasonable price, as well as traditions and national habits. Our professional team of quality control and passionate after-sales service members will continue to keep tracking of each order scientifically, so as to provide high-speed services for customers. All members of ZZCHRYSO welcome global clients and are willing to establish long-term friendly cooperation relations with global customers. We will strive to produce more high-quality products and repay the trust of our customers. We are your reliable business partner here.